Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Abhinav Seth and welcome to my YouTube channel Seth Market Analysis. Today we'll talk about the Nifty daily chart and analyze and understand how Nifty may behave in tomorrow's trade. Nifty ended up with a loss of minus 109 points and closed at around 19,528. It created the low of 19,479 in today's trade. And we briefly break down the weekly doji candle. If you check my weekly chart on Nifty, I talked about this doji candle being made, and I said high and low of the Nifty on this doji candle will be important. We have to close one day below this level on the downside for the further down move. So it did not close below this. Obviously, it went down and then started coming up. So it ended up closing within the range of the doji candle. So this doji candle is still not active, but it is very close to the breakdown level. So Nifty now, the breakdown level, the lower level of this doji candle is 19,500 or 19,488 that I was talking about in my weekly chart analysis video. So if Nifty closes below 19,488 one day and then starts trading the next day below the low of that day, then it will be a breakdown towards downside. So Nifty went down and created a low of 19,479 but ended up closing at 19,528. 19,528 is the level that it closed at. So it is still not breaking down, but it is very close to the breakdown level. So let's understand how and what Nifty may behave in tomorrow's session. And in tomorrow's session, this level obviously becomes very important, 488. If Nifty goes down and starts trading below this level in tomorrow's trade, or 470s, if it also goes down and breaks the 477, that's the low of today's candle, 477 candle, then we might see some very sharp movement to the downsides, towards downside in tomorrow's trade. So let's switch to the 15-minute chart and understand how Nifty may behave in tomorrow's trade. Okay, just like in Bank Nifty, Nifty is creating this inverted flag pattern, though it is also closing towards the lower end of the flag pattern. It's not closing at the highs on the middle of the flag pattern, it is closing at the lower end of the flag pattern. So this chart is looking very weak. Nifty's chart is very weak, and I think we might have a breakout in tomorrow's or day after tomorrow's trade. We also have a RBI monetary policy, which I think they might come out with a result on the interest rates on Thursday, probably on Thursday or Friday. But obviously we have some decisiveness then. But for tomorrow's trade, and if we just continue to trade within this doji candle, or if we just talk about the targets for tomorrow, we might have to take small targets again for tomorrow with a small quantity, so that we don't get trapped or do a risky trading. So if Nifty manages to trade below, so if Nifty opens up in this range and then breaks the highs of today, which is, hang on, what is the high? So the high is 19,567. So if Nifty manages to trade above 19,567 to the higher side, we might see a small movement. The first target can be this one, which is 19,600, and then if Nifty beats the 19,600, then the next will be 19,622. I'm not very bullish on the higher side, as I've been talking about over the last few days. It is sell on rise market, and if Nifty starts trading above, please ensure you do them with the minimum. If you trade long or buy Nifty, trade with a bare minimum quantity. So these are the levels to watch out for in tomorrow's trade on the higher side. And if somehow Nifty starts trading above 19,622 as well, then this will be the level to come. Then there will be some big target on the higher side. So you can take 19,655 as the third target for Nifty for now. Okay, and if Nifty starts trading below this range, if Nifty breaks down the flag pattern towards the downside, this is the support range. We also took a support here. So this is the support range, and if Nifty breaks down from 19,479, 477, today's low, if Nifty goes below this and starts trading decisively below this, the first target will be 19,433. That's the important zone. That is, I think, where the next 100-day moving average candle is for Nifty. And if we go below 19,433, then the next target will be 19,355, and the third will be 19,311. So these will be the three targets to watch out for in tomorrow's trade. If Nifty breaks down below 477, if Nifty continues to trade within this today's flag pattern range, it might go slowly up, and it might eat premiums. So please trade carefully. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. If you're new to my channel, click on subscribe and hit the bell icon for the notifications. And please leave the comments in the comment box for us to discuss this more. Thank you.